works. First you have to pick a drink. There's Capri Sun, orange juice, Gatorade, fruit punch, cranberry juice. So I'm gonna demonstrate with orange juice. Orange juice tastes like orange juice without it, but you lick by bubbles. First you have to pour in orange bubbles. Gently to the red line. Then you have to mix gently. So Bailey and Michaela, since they're the birthday girls, they get to lick first.
All right, come on, stand back so the bubble can fly.
Always do that. And then, but you guys can also lick. Lick it?
All right, guys, stand on back. We got some. These are Gatorade bubbles.
There you go. Gatorade bubbles.
All right, Gatorade bubbles.
Go.
Gatorade bubbles.
Go lick them.
You gotta catch the bubbles. You're supposed to catch them, not if you can. They're very hard.
No.